This is on Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Chainlink. Chainlink I took yesterday, Friday, when I noticed that Chainlink was setting up here at the R3 Camarilla pivot level. And then we'll do a top-down analysis here starting on the weekly. So this is the previous strong low. This is the previous week high here. We can see that Chainlink is trading within this range here. We can see that a few weeks ago Chainlink tested this strong low and rejected, and now has been pulling back here. And what you're seeing in this candle here on the weekly, this is this displacement here on the 4-hour chart. And then up here on the 15-minute chart, as I mentioned, there's the R3 Camarilla pivot level from yesterday. Also here yesterday, this is the pre-market here. And using volume price analysis, these two candles here, the volume with these two candles here, set my pre-market high and low range. And then as we can see, here, this is the US Open here. We can see that Chainlink broke out below this opening range here, then pulled back, tested the range. This is the high of the range, but it never broke out of the range as far as in closing above and then setting a new high, and then began to sell off here. Consolidated here right at the range, testing several times here, sold off a retest, sold off, testing the top of the range again, sell off, testing the top of the range again, and then a final sell off here. So lots of consolidation in this price action here. But you can see this range here from R3 to S3. And the S3 range here from yesterday is basically the same as it is today. So the range on Chainlink didn't change much. And we can see here that this trade was to target this liquidity here, this sell side liquidity. That's resting under this candle. So anyone who would have gone long here and may still be holding would have just been swept out of their positions here. So my trade idea was that just basically a sweep or a liquidity grab of this particular area. But this was my trade here, and the risk was $5 on Chainlink. We can see here today, here at 557 here, quantity 30, and then collected at 1479, took profit. We can see here a little over $15 here. So a 3 to 1 reward to risk ratio here on Chainlink. So pretty good. My preference would be 4 to 1 or better, but I'll take 3 to 1 trades, especially in today's market. But this is my trade on Chainlink. This is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.